Welcome to Quiz Time Brain Boosters, where curiosity meets the right answer. What am I? I have a spiral shell. I live deep in the ocean. I am related to octopuses and squids. My shell has many chambers filled with gas. I am often called a living fossil. The correct answer is Nautilus. Who am I? I am an amphibian, but I rarely leave the water. I can regrow lost body parts. I have feathery gills outside my head. I am native to Mexico. My name comes from the Aztec language, meaning water dog. The correct answer is axolotl. What am I? I have incredibly complex eyes. I can punch with amazing speed and force. My claws are like hammers or spears. I live in burrows in tropical waters. My punch is so fast it creates superheated bubbles. The correct answer is mantis shrimp. Who am I? I am very small, often fitting in your hand. I have rings on my body that glow when I'm threatened. I am found in tidal pools and coral reefs. My bite is tiny and often painless at first. I am one of the most venomous animals in the ocean. The correct answer is blue-ringed octopus. What am I? I am shaped like a vegetable. I crawl slowly on the seafloor. I eat tiny bits of food from the sand. When stressed, I can squirt out my internal organs. I am an echinoderm, related to starfish. The correct answer is sea cucumber. Who am I? I have one very large claw. I can create a powerful bubble. This bubble can stun or kill small prey. My sound is one of the loudest in the ocean. I snap my claw to create a cavitation bubble hotter than the sun's surface. The correct answer is pistol shrimp. What am I? I look like a piece of floating seaweed. I am related to seahorses. My body has many leaf-like appendages for camouflage. I move slowly, drifting with the current. I am only found in the waters off southern and western Australia. The correct answer is leafy sea dragon. Who am I? I live in the deep, dark parts of the ocean. My name suggests I am scary, but I'm not. I have large eyes that adapt to low light. I have 8 arms connected by a web-like membrane. I can turn myself inside out, showing off my spiky cloak. The correct answer is vampire squid. What am I? I live in the very deep ocean where it's dark. I have a special light on my head. I use my light to attract prey. I have a huge mouth and sharp teeth. Males are much smaller and often attached to the female. The correct answer is anglerfish. Who am I? I bury most of my body in the ocean floor. I have powerful jaws. I can grow very long, sometimes over 10 feet. I ambush unsuspecting prey that swims by. My scientific name is Eunice aphroditois. The correct answer is bobbit worm. Quote for the day. No one can make you feel inferior without your consent. By Eleanor Roosevelt. Great job. How many questions did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for participating, you did amazing. Don't forget to like and subscribe.